got back from trick-or-treating. Hey, Cheyenne.
So,
Here's all our candy. That's mine, and that's hers.
we traded.
We traded a lot.
These are all my nerds. I only got 4 boxes. I'm disappointed.
I gave her mine, and she's still whining about
I got
it.
1 box of nerds. She got 3. So nice.
Haha. Okay, so that's all our candy. We're going to eat it all. That's actually half of what we had. Mostly.
Oh,
Half of what we had.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. We need to get something to drink. Did we get McDonald's?
Let's do it.
We asked for McDonald's. I don't think we got it. Depresses me very, very, very much.
I'll pay for it. I got $10.
We just need a ride.
$10 and 10 cents. This lady gave me 10 cents. 2 nickels.
15. What?
Shut up, you jerk.
15. Don't call me a jerk. How?
She hates Tootsie Rolls and Smarties. Can you believe that? Who hates Tootsie Rolls and Smarties?
Me, apparently. She doesn't like Better Honeys. See? Nobody has
Yeah,
likes
Tootsie
and
Rolls are
dislikes.
natural. No.
No, they're not.